anything you could do, I could do better. I can't do anything better than you. 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 I can't do anything better than you.
You guys really need to let go of your ego, straight up. What? Let go of your ego!
Play this record as frequently as
1,
possible.
2, 3, 4.
Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out. Leg out. Leg out. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out. Leg out. Leg out my ego. 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 Leg out my ego.
I don't chase money. Money's too fast. That's why I stay with the sun like Steve Nash. And I've been purchased by the blood with no cash. The devil's so sad, he looking at me so mad. Yeah, I was lost, but now I'm found. Nemo, and I thank the Lord for taking all my whips. Repo, yeah, he took the weight up off my shoulders. Kilo then got snatched the chain up off my neck. Devo.
Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out. Leg out. Leg out. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out. Leg out. Leg out my ego. Leg out. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego.
I just wanted to be seen, wanted to be heard like Jesus Geek is taking over. Revenge of the nerd. I live life without a plan or a consequence, cause it was my will to be a fresh prince. I cried out for change, hoping it would make sense. I didn't need a beat, take 6, cause it ain't nothing for you to play with and not to be celebrated. Banquet. Hey, so please let go of your ego, cause God's watching us through the sky like a peephole, looking at us people like, I got a lot of he's, but I don't really have enough heroes. Money, cars, and girls, that's what the world is slaving after. Trying to get back to the roots like, yes, a master. Trying to move forward, I ain't got no time for moving backwards, so put me back in place like a chiropractor.
Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out. Leg out. Leg out. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out my ego. Leg out. Leg out.
Oh, what's good? It's your boy Jesus Geek. We just got done shooting this long video. It's like 20 o'clock at night. But I want to shout out to Chapman's Dance, Bliss, Faye, I love you, Greg, you guys are amazing. But the whole purpose of doing this video was to inspire you to stop trying to be better than and just be the best of what God called you to be. You know what I mean? Jesus Geek, I love y'all. Know you are. You know what it is.
Yeah. And if you were inspired, you like the video, you like the track, you like the song, whatever, go ahead and download it, make a response video, let me see you dance, let me see what you can do. Yeah, if you can't dance, it's alright. Just listen to the music, you love it, you know you do.
Stage, I hear my name instead of his, I'm self-exalted. It's salt in his name. Who knew salt could be plain? Just a straw in the flame, cause his blood ain't in my veins. Wearing ego like a pico. I'm juiced like Tampico. Headed giant, call me